what's up everybody? I hope so you're keeping well. Today I'm in Sanur and today's vlog is all about Sanur. I will stroll around starting from Massimo, famous Massimo over here, and heading somewhere into the hardest shop area. Today's first impression is the traffic in Sanur. Can you imagine that? I think this is the first time I see traffic like this in Sanur since at least 1 year. And here is the brand new place. Actually that was the Blue Bar or Blue Corner Bar and some sushi Tokyo. Another good thing is as many businesses here are back to normal. I mean, well, maybe not back to normal, but back to business. Even the here is the Claudia Spa and the even Sensatia shop and even the Money Changer. Money Changer was closed for more than 1 year. Everything was closed for more than 1 year and is going back to normal. By the way, the current status, if you're interested, are coming to Bali very soon. That's how it is. And I'm gonna start strolling today. This is famous Massimo, as you see. Always busy actually. Nothing really has changed here. And here is also some Japanese restaurant, kinda new, and here is some new place, also Japanese, Korean, actually Korean this time. So basically in Sanur is so many new businesses. Well, this place is for sale if you're interested, but here just next to Massimo is Ritual Coffee, the completely brand new Warung, also opened like a few months ago. I need to trespass the street, but it's nowadays quite busy in Sanur, have to be careful. And Ritual Coffee, I think this is the local restaurant on in Denpasar, but they open in Sanur right now. Ganesha, I think this is the Indian cuisine for every Indian brothers who watching us. One day we will have a dinner in Indian restaurant, but you can comment below your recommendation if you know any good places for Indian food in Bali, either it's in Sanur or any other direction, I mean any other cities. Heading now into Trattoria direction, as you see. Unfortunately the many warungs here who selling the merchandise, clothes, dresses are closed, but yeah, that's typically a tourist shop, so they have no chance to prosper well. This is Trattoria, open but kinda empty. Yeah, here's some Japanese barbecue, apakobor. That's how it looks, the life. Here supposed to be the Nova Dive Center. It's closed. All the shops are for rent, so I think they are out of business right now. Unfortunately, many diving companies are out of business. Here is the charming Refurbished restaurant, old but refurbished. I don't know if it's new brand or not. Here is the another new place. This is the French Warung, French restaurant. And here is the famous sandwich bar. This is also the hype right now in Sanur for some reason. Also pretty new place, just few months old, but it's really hype on these places. I will turn around to show you. Here is Jalapeno, which is Mexican restaurant. It used to be somewhere here, the something, I forgot the name. Anyway, as you see, the Bon Appetit is the French restaurant, and here is the sandwich bar. Pretty successful places. What just was open in 2020, 2021, not so long ago. And heading now, I think this was somewhere here supposed to be Ryoshi, but seems like they're out of business. Fortunately, some people sleeping here. Somebody have a Hyundai here with the fancy color of vinyl foil. And here is the Sol on the Beach, famous place. Yo, what's up, brothers? that place is also very famous. Used to be very famous, but seems quiet right now. Not sure really why, but it's quiet. Okay, and here are the Bluebird taxis for everyone who missing the Bluebird ride. They are waiting for you. I make also some videos with them at the beginning of the current situation, if you remember our first vlogs. Anyway, now here is some forest. Usually was the forest, and obviously this is the Hyatt Regency fence. Where is this white car is the main entrance to Hyatt Hotel. But here always, if you remember, was some sort of forest and mess over here. But now they clean it up already since 1 month, and today I see as they are making some lines here. I don't know actually what's gonna happen here. Either it's gonna be some sort of public park, or will be some building there, or mall, or hotel, or villas. I have totally no idea, but they make some lines. I cannot find information what's going on. If you are from living here, in the area in Bali, in Sanur, and you know, please comment below. I'm very curious what's going on here. And this is the gate to the famous Hyatt Regency in Sanur. Gate like gate, what I can say. Yeah, that's how it looks now. The forest next to the Hyatt, if you are familiar, it's gonna be something for sure, but I have really no idea what. I parked my Jimmy here today on the middle between the forest and Hyatt. Oh, be careful, the bumpy, the paths doesn't change. Still, you have to watch how you step. Anyway, there are some grab drivers here, Gojeks, and generally people chilling. I will hit now into the other side of this forest thing. I'm not gonna show you forest much more. And also this is the fence of the new hotel Andas. It's pretty clean now, but yeah, you cannot see much from the street. There is the entrance to the Andas hotel, but this doggo is not happy as I'm walking here. He already barking at me so bad. Normal thing. Anyway, the Andas, and they have a beautiful security with the like a police officers, but they are just the security. Some people running. Well, obviously peaceful life in Sanur as always. And this is the wall of Andas. Yeah, and this is the forest. Definitely they're gonna build something. Okay, this is Jalan Kesari over here, the small street. So many people have villas there, even the local people and also the expats who are watching us. Also, one day I will walk there something and make a vlog. Meanwhile, this is already the other side of the forest, and that's how it looks the life here for everyone who are familiar. Here is the totally brand new place opened just before the current situation happened. It's called Paradise. Not any kind of paid endorsement, please, but this is the gym, cafe, restaurant, stuff like this. As you see, I think I showed you already a few times, but yeah, and I'm passing this anyway. That's how it looks. Some people park around. Just will stroll today to show you peacefully. Actually still very hot as always, just changed with the weather. Will be still no snow in Bali for sure. So hot weather waiting for you guys. Here is some Takisa. I don't know if it's new place or old place. Not super 100% familiar with this, actually this specific part of Sanur. This is the Maya Hotel. Maya Hotel is open, but from the side of the restaurant they do a refurbishment. So when I driving every morning on the beach, they do some very big construction. Maybe next vlog about Sanur will be from that area, working on the beach side. But today I wanna show you on the street side how it looks the life. Here are some people drinking. What they can do, right? In general, still not much is happening anywhere. Oh, this Ulu restaurant is taking off the penjor from the Galungan, what was last month. So I think, yo, what's up? That's pretty cool actually. Yo, that's pretty cool. Always good vibes. Thai food, Indonesian food. And here was the White House or something like this. Orchid, maybe I'm messed up again. However, it's closed over contract. And here is the barber, what I'm currently coming. That's how it looks. Some people inside. Also the new spa. If you're interested, I make a special vlog in this place. So I think I'm not gonna specially showing you more about that. However, I really recommend the places. And that's how it looks the life in Sanur, in that area. Here is the all for diving. For everyone who are interested about diving. They still exist actually. Only few companies in Bali. This is the mini shopping center with the shops, Bamboo Blonde, Apothec, Permata Bank. Very good bank if you want to withdraw money in Bali. This is the biggest ATM where you can take one time 3 million rupiah in the same time. Highly recommended. Also, if you are expat, want to have a bank account, highly recommended. Of course, not paid endorsement, just from the personal experience. Always happy to help. Good informations. Here is some warung. Nesa Kombi. Normal life. Peaceful. Here is some warung. Not much is happening in general. This place over here, it's closed, as you see. Here is I forgot the name of the place. I think this is belongs to the Oasis Hotel, and this is open and empty at the same time. Here is the famous Cafe Batu Jimbar. During the week time is nothing happening here. Only on Sunday or Saturday is the market there with the fresh fruit veg. always busy. I think Sunday morning, but after that, really literally nothing is happening. Here is the Oasis Hotel. Also, they are open. I hear they have a long-term promo for 6 million per month. I saw somewhere the advertisement, and here restaurant next to them. It's closed, totally closed. Already for since the beginning. The name, of course, like this one. Don't know how to pronounce that. The guy selling nasi jingo. This cafe shop also closed. Really, not much is happening. And heading now into the area of ex-Hardee's. Now is Arta Sedana shop, as you see. Empty parking. The ice cream shop is open, which is cool. But check this out, the Hardee's is totally empty right now. Literally 4 bikes right now in the parking area and not even one single car. That's some sort of disaster, guys. I don't know what should I say. Yeah, that's how it is. Here is some shops, boutiques, and basically the seems like now it's so quiet. This is the coffee kiosk when I had the coffee last time. Also empty. Seems like the life in Sano right now is only in the next to Massimo, because the Massimo, obviously people coming to Massimo, but after that actually pretty sure not much is happening, as you see right now. Yeah, that's how it is. Leather shop. Cheers, guys. Back to the beach. Always good vibes here. Cheers, guys. I think that's it for today. I will just enjoy my radar. See you tomorrow. As always. See ya. Take care.